Hi, it's Brian, and today again we're joined by the Honey Bunnies. Say hello.
Hello!
And today we're talking a little bit about having extra food to be prepared, but we're also having a little bit of fun. So we recently went to a farm and we brought back a lot of vegetables, specifically a lot of zucchini, cucumbers, onions, etc. And we made some different things. So the Honey Bunnies helped. What did you guys help do?
We helped make this tomato, onion, bacon, and zucchini mix that I kind of like, but Ariella doesn't.
And what did we make over here?
It's made out of zucchini, and then we put zucchini, and then we made it into pickles.
Pickles.
With onions.
With onions too. And then what did we make here?
We made zucchini fries. What we mean by that is we made our homemade veggie straws with our freeze dryer.
So what we've tried to do is take preparation, right? So not only living healthier, having extra food on hand into like a family project. And how do the veggie straws taste?
Really good.
So again, just some different ideas. The idea of being prepared, it's not monotonous. What we feel is that we've actually turned it into fun. We've turned it into functions. So not only are we trying to live healthier, but there's no other better way to describe it than say, how did you guys make in the veggie straws? Was it boring? Just like had to do the work?
It was fun.
So, okay. Alrighty. Again, trying to combine a little bit of being prepared with also having a little fun. If you have any other questions about being prepared, please feel free to email us at bepreparedsolutions.co. Please go to the website, check out everything from our emergency alerts to our plans, to our consultations, to our kits. Thank you.